Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from Mac to iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm on my MacBook right now, and the first thing you need to do is open the Photos app or locate the folder where your photos and videos are stored. In my case, I have a few photos. To transfer them without using any cables or complicated software, simply select the photos and videos you want to send, then right-click on them to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, click on the Share option. Another menu will appear, and here you need to select AirDrop. Before the transfer can start, make sure AirDrop is enabled on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to your settings. Here, search for AirDrop and set it to Everyone for 10 minutes. Once AirDrop is enabled, your iPhone should appear in the AirDrop menu on your Mac. Click on your iPhone's name and the transfer will begin immediately. After a few moments, your photos and videos will be sent from your Mac to your iPhone. As you can see, the files are now successfully transferred and available on the phone. And that's it. So that is how you can transfer photos and videos from Mac to iPhone. So that's all for this video. Thanks.